of Alice band. So this is the big size. We have a medium and the light. So when I'm putting my elastic, I always open this place. There's something here. You get it?
Yes.
So I open this place. Then I put in my elastic. Bring the elastic itself. Yeah. So normally I always use yes, you see. I measure 8.5 inches.
8.5.
Yes, when I'm putting on this band, 8.5 inches elastic. So it depends on the weight of the fascinator. If it's very heavy, I do 2. So I measure 2. And if I'm doing 2, I'll measure 9 inches. Because I'll have to twist it. Which means I twist it. Yeah, good. So 9 inches, you get it. Then you twist it like this, just slightly. You twist, so it becomes 1. Some people leave it like this, but I feel it's not too cool. So just twist it, let it look as if it's 1. You get it. Then you pinch about, is it like?
Madam, please, what's the measurement again?
The measurements, when you're using 1, just use 8.5 inches.
Okay.
So, but when you're using 2, you use 9 inches because you're going to twist. You get it? To shorten. Then you take your fishing line, and I mentioned when you're doing your fishing line, leave about, let's say, 3 inches, then you make a knot.
Okay.
Don't make a knot. Yes, at the back. Don't make the knots at the tip. Then you measure, like you check 1/4 inch of the elastic. You pinch it through. You see it? 1/4 inch again. You pinch it through. So you have it something like this.
Okay.
Yeah. Then you pull through. Then you take your elastic, your band, sorry, your band, and you sew. Let me come closer. You sew it to this place. You see this place now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That metal.
Yes, it's not really metal. This one is plastic. But there's always a flesh. My girls call it flesh. There's always like
flesh to put it inside.
a material.
Yeah.
Then you put it in there. Turn it over like this. Put it in. Please come closer.
Hey, your face is coming too much.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Hey, someone's
Hey.
work.
Hey. Sorry.
You get it.
My bridesmaid.
So you put it in here. You see what I said? The remnant there.
Yeah.
Then you go over like hemming stitch. You go over like this.
This one you're showing can be a hack.
It's a hack. It's on my distance. It's on my status and on my YouTube.
Yes.
It's there on my YouTube. Yes. Then you go again. This time I let it touch the elastic. Yes.
So it can be very
So
fair.
it will be firm. There you go.
Wait, please, what's the essence of leaving the 3 inches?
You see the reason why I'm doing that. Then you go again. Oh. The reason for the 3 inches is just to make tying very easy. When you want to knot at the end of everything.
Okay.
You go again. So you make sure you are sure it's firm. So now that 3 inches you left plus this one, you just tie it up. Asa. You get it, and it saves you time of knotting. So when I'm done knotting, you tie it like 3 times. You cut. Then you apply Mr. Bond. You apply a little bit of on the knots so that it doesn't pull out.
See very well.
Then you can either use your gun glue or your EH glue or your E6000. You put it here because this glue, because you pulled it out, it becomes a little bit weak and
Flatten it.
flatten it. And that's
Because if this thing is inside, that means
Mhm.
it's stuck forever.
You see how sweet
strong
it's
it is.
made.
Yes.
Because I see some people wrapping
Yes,
here.
yes. That's what
And
I
also
used
do
to
that.
do.
It doesn't give a nice finish. You
Finish.
see, this one is here, this one is here.
Yes,
That, but with this way, it's very nice. And even another way again, I learned recently on my own. You can also use this. You can decide to.
I saw it on one of your
Uh-huh. You can decide to just leave an allowance and you glue
Wrap
it.
it.
No, not wrapping up. At the center.
And that's what you've done to the pink one.
No, I didn't do anything to this pink one. I didn't put a band on it.
You did
Oh,
the
the
white,
white,
the
the
white.
white.
That's what.
Exactly. Then you
Yeah,
do
the
it
finishing is very nice. Yeah.
in and it flows.
And what
Mm.
glue are you using?
Eh?
What
No,
glue
no.
are
I
you
use
using?
E6000.
Yeah, the ends, what do you do? Look at
You
it.
burn it. You can burn it. And that's it. So that's how to just. Any question? We are good. So this one now, you have this now, you just twist it a little, not too much. Just like this. So it becomes like one. Then you open and
The other side
it
again.
repeats the same thing again. And you have it. So if the person is dancing like our grandma Jessica,
So.
and dancing and dancing and dancing and dancing, the fascinator will not follow. Okay. All right.